Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert header and footer from second page in Word. Open your Word document where you will see the pages that are available. Place the cursor on the second page. From the Layout menu, click on Breaks and select Continuous. Now double-click on the header of the document. Click on the button, Link to Previous. Add the header text for your document. After this, double-click on the footer. Again, click on Link to Previous and then add the text for the footer. You can see that the first page does not have a header and footer, but from the second page it does. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.